It's Five Nights at Freddy's 2 demo. Not sure I want to do this. But then something's coming for me. Oh, I sure know I'm getting off this game. Okay. First time. You can do this. You don't need that. Well, since it's the first night, I think it will be super easy. So, yeah. Sorry, I had to get out of the quiet room, so it would be a little bit louder here. Anyways, man, I'm bored. I should listen to that call. I feel like I shouldn't turn it off right now. I feel like I shouldn't do it. But who cares? I'm torturing myself and I love it. Okay, I'm using battery. These ones are the ones I don't want to see. These ones. Oh, I like the song. Okay, it's over now. I have to become a woman. I do not want this to be serious. Can I just move? I'm keeping an eye on you guys. A special eye on you. You may look friendly, but you are definitely not friendly. Okay, night 2. These things are gonna start moving now. Awesome. That means, oh God. Okay. You guys stay there, Mangles. You stay where the heck ever you are. You stay there, Mangles. Maybe you should tell me if you want to do parkour, because I am not doing this.